Exercise is a celebration of what your body can do and not the punishment for what you ate. Good morning to all. With this quote, I would like to present my views on the topic importance of physical exercise and the reason behind doing physical exercise. See, everybody says that health and fitness are important aspects of life. Now, the question arises, what is health and what is fitness? See, health is the physical and mental state of a person who has no illness or disease. And if I talk about fitness, it is the level of physical activities that a person can do on daily basis. An average healthy person can perform all the activities of life in a positive state of mind. There is a proverb that says health is wealth. Health is really wealth because there is nothing that a healthy person cannot do. But if I talk about a sickly person, it becomes impossible for him or her to perform the daily chores of life, let alone extra work. It also becomes a challenge for a weak person to have a positive outlook on every aspect of life. In a pandemic situation like right now we are facing just because of COVID-19, it has become difficult for us to have a positive outlook in every aspect of life. See, we are stuck at home for most of the day. We are not able to go outside for outdoor activities. So it becomes necessary on our part to remain healthy and fit. So what should be done for that? The answer is very simple, do exercise. But how much exercise should be done? And what should be the reason behind doing exercise? Should you focus on doing exercise just because you want to celebrate what your body can do? Or should you do exercise for as a punishment for your body what you have eaten? The answer is very simple. You should exercise to celebrate what your body can do. Let me explain it further. It means that we should do exercise to feel the strength of our body and not as the punishment for what we have eaten. Suppose a person has exercised for 30 minutes and then he eats junk food. Will he be healthy and fit? No, not at all. He won't be healthy because he has eaten junk food. He is not doing justice with his body. Now, if he goes for exercise, he is doing exercise, it will not be a reward for his body, it will be a punishment. So, which path to follow, what to do? We should take proper diet along with exercise. Another simple trick to remain healthy is that drink adequate amount of water, which is 8 glasses or 4 liters of water daily. What water does to our body is that it flushes out the toxins from our body and it also helps in maintaining our metabolism. Water also controls our hunger and prevents us from overeating. So the way is very simple, that we have to take exercise, but we should not forget that we have to take the proper diet and drink adequate amount of water. If we are physically healthy, it will lead to mental health also. What else can be done for making ourselves mentally healthy is that we should meditate, we should participate in some recreational activities, like you can participate in any hobby which you like, and then get connected with your friends and relatives. Now the question arises, how to get connected with relatives and friends. You can say that we are not able to be with them physically present. We cannot be physically present with them right now, so you can use a technology to get connected with them. But yes, get connected with them so that you can be mentally healthy. So at last, I would like to say that keeping your body healthy is an expression of gratitude to the cosmos, to the whole cosmos, to the earth, to the mountains, to the trees, everything. So stay healthy, stay happy, and stay positive. Thank you.